Product Demo. Our controllers feature a minimalist design. The controller model shown in the video is DD06MW. Wiring. Connect the power supply to controller's positive and negative poles for supplying electricity. Open the controller's positive, negative pole terminal and plug it in, and then close it. Use the same method to connect the light strip to the controller's positive and RGB-CW terminal. Once the LED driver is powered on, the light strip will illuminate. Pair with the RF switch. Press and hold the prog key for 3 south until the red indicator to flash slowly and release. To enter RF remote pairing window, press the intended key once. RF switch operation demonstration. Press Wensel on or off. Press twice. Dimming. Stable and smoothness of dimming. Press once. Set. Pair with the app. Smart speaker. Power on the smart speaker. Press and hold the prog key for 6 south until the red indicator to flash quickly and roll. Ace to enter app pairing window. The load would flash 3 times and remains on. Scan the QR code on the controller for adding with Matters. Supported smart apps like HomeKit apps. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Select light location and name it. Pairing complete. App operation demonstration. Click on the lighting room that was just paired. Start dimming. Start RGB control. Adjusting color temperature. Remove and reset. You can visit our website or scan the QR code to view our product catalog and get more product information.